Now, it was your idea to have a Power Platform 101. Why did you have that idea?
I came up with the idea of Power Platform 101 because I attended a Microsoft 365 conference in April, which is my first time at a Microsoft 365 conference versus the Dynamics 365, a CRM, or a Power Platform. And there's a ton of people out there outside of the normal CRM path, which I think a lot of people are finding themselves for Power Platform, that knows nothing about it. And the thirst for the information was there, and there's just not a good resource anywhere. Like, you can't say, here, just check out this YouTube video and learn everything you need to know about Power Platform 101. So
it would take a really big video to learn everything that you need to know in Power Platform 101. I can't believe that Office 365 people didn't know about it.
Well, to them, it's Canvas apps, right? So the Power Platform are Canvas apps that I'm going to build. And to learn more about what you can do beyond that, or beyond like simple flows that are working with approvals and teams, it's pretty cool to enlighten somebody for the first time and watch that light bulb go off.
Yeah, I mean, you said a couple things that just started in my head. So like Canvas apps, I like putting Canvas apps on a Power BI report because it makes the whole point of having a Power BI is you want to get information that you can take action on your data. And if you could put the action right on the report itself, then, more power to you. Of course, you have to do with refreshing, but then, that along comes Power Automate. You can have Power Automate do some refreshing for you. And that could actually be part of the Power App itself, that it goes through and says, hey, now go and refresh this data set inside. So there's a lot of really cool things that you can do. So I am beside myself. And I see a lot of ERP users, the Dynamics ERP users, using those approvals inside of the accounting system itself, sometimes to enhance what goes on in the ERP and sometimes to flat out replace it. And so that just provides so much power.
Yeah, lots of power in the Power Platform.
Lots of power. And then we're going to even touch on the new Power Pages and Power Virtual Agent. So we'll get to see everything. So Power Virtual Agent, Power Pages, Power BI,
Power Apps,
all of them.
Yeah.
Power Automate, the model-driven apps, the portal apps, and the Canvas apps.
Yeah.
Did I mention
a little bit of everything? That's all of it. Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can get an idea of what you want to use where and how. And the coolest part about our session at Summit is, yes, this is going to be at Summit in October in Orlando, is it's before Summit so that you can make the best use of Summit by saying, hey, this is what I know I need to focus on, and go to those sessions.
Absolutely. Also, I really like how we are going to incorporate hands-on workshops too. So it's not just sitting in a classroom learning about all of these. We're going to do it. And all of the workshops are going to kind of build on each other, right? So we'll build an app. Then we're going to put some flows in that app. Then we're going to build some Power BI dashboards. And we're just going to cull it all together. And you're going to get some really cool things that you can take away with you.
That's right. So if you haven't signed up for Summit already, you need to. You need to attend mine and Heidi's Power Platform 101 course beforehand so you could get more out of it. So Heidi Newhouser, Belinda Allen, and we'll see you in Orlando. Bye, everyone.
Not going to leave. That's okay. You can stay.
Kitty wants to learn the Power Platform too.
Yes. Ruby, would you like to learn about Power Platform 101?
Yay! She totally would.
Absolutely.